Dry skin makes the skin look and feel rough, itchy, flaky, or scaly. It's a widespread problem that affects people of all ages. Dry skin, also known as xerosis or xeroderma, can be caused by a variety of factors, including cold or dry weather, sun damage, harsh soaps, and excessive washing. In this video, I'll tell 3 amazing tips that make your skin glow. Coconut oil. Moisturizing qualities are found in coconut oil. That's why coconut oil's naturally occurring saturated fatty acids help moisturize and smooth the skin. Coconut oil may be used on even the most delicate portions of your body on a regular basis. Petroleum jelly. According to studies, petroleum jelly products can help elderly person's skin repair. Petroleum jelly, commonly known as mineral oil, forms a protective coating on the skin. Moisture is trapped beneath it. This aids in the healing of dry, irritated skin regions. Make use of a humidifier. Using a humidifier in your house might assist to alleviate the dryness brought on by home heating systems. According to the Harvard Medical School, even though gas and electric heat remove moisture from the air, a humidifier set to 60% is enough to counteract this impact. It's important to keep your skin in good shape. The first line of protection against germs and viruses is your skin. It is possible for an infection to develop when your skin is irritated by itching. Even if your skin isn't troubling you, you may want to include a decent moisturizer in your regular routine. Extremely dry skin can be an indication of a more serious condition. If home remedies aren't helping, you may need to see a doctor. Get a prescription treatment to relieve your dry skin.